Most people don't stay poor because they're lazy. And they don't stay poor because they're unintelligent. They stay poor because of habits. Small decisions repeated quietly every day. Two people can earn the same income, live in the same city, and work the same number of hours. Yet one slowly builds financial stability, while the other stays stuck, stressed, and confused. The difference is not income, it's behavior. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 money habits that keep people poor and explain what financially smart people do instead. These ideas aren't taught in school. They aren't taught at most jobs, and they're rarely talked about honestly. But once you understand them, your financial decisions start to change. The first habit that keeps people poor is spending without awareness. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. They earn money, they spend money, and at the end of the month, they wonder why nothing is left. The problem is rarely one big expense. It's usually small, repeated spending. Snacks, subscriptions, impulse purchases, convenience spending. Each one feels harmless in the moment, but over time, they quietly drain income. Financially smart people do something different. They track their money before they spend it. This doesn't mean living a restrictive life or cutting out everything enjoyable. It simply means awareness. When you clearly see where your money goes, your behavior naturally changes. Awareness creates control. The second habit is lifestyle inflation. When income increases, spending increases too. A better phone, better clothes, more expensive habits. Most people upgrade their lifestyle before they upgrade their financial foundation. Financially smart people delay upgrades. When extra money comes in, they first ask how it can improve their future, how it can reduce risk, how it can create more stability. They increase investments, savings, or skills before lifestyle. Looking rich costs money. Being rich requires patience. That's why many high-income earners still feel financially stressed, while some quiet, low-key people slowly build real wealth. The third habit that keeps people poor is depending on one source of income. Most people rely entirely on a single paycheck. As long as it arrives, everything feels fine. But if it stops, everything stops. Jobs change, companies restructure, economies shift. Financially smart people understand this risk early. They don't panic, they prepare. They build options, skills that can earn money in different ways. Small side income streams, assets that grow slowly over time. This doesn't mean working non-stop, it means creating flexibility. True financial security comes from having choices. If this video is already helping you think differently about money, take a moment to like it. And if you want more clear, simple explanations about money and financial intelligence, subscribe to Smart Money AI. Now let's talk about a habit that silently costs people more than they realize. Another habit that keeps people poor is avoiding financial knowledge. Many people avoid learning about money because it feels confusing or overwhelming. Some think it's boring, others think it's too complicated. But avoiding money doesn't make life simpler. It makes mistakes more expensive. Financially smart people don't try to know everything. They just stay informed. They understand how debt works, how basic investing works, how money decisions today affect the future. Financial knowledge protects you from bad decisions. Ignorance makes you vulnerable. Learning a little over time is far more powerful than knowing nothing at all. The final habit that keeps people poor is waiting for the perfect time. waiting to save, waiting to invest, waiting to learn. Many people believe they'll start later, when things are easier or more stable. But later rarely comes. Financially smart people start imperfectly. They start small. They adjust as they go. They improve over time. Progress matters more than perfection. Staying poor is rarely about income alone. It's about habits, decisions, and patterns repeated quietly over time. You don't need a massive breakthrough to change your financial life. You need small, consistent improvements. If you avoid these habits, your financial situation can slowly begin to change, even without earning more money. If you want simple, honest explanations about money, wealth, and smart financial thinking, subscribe to Smart Money AI. Learn money the smart way.